Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 63. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Crispy Peach and the Little Queen, the two of them are busy. It seems that our little queen is having a hard time writing the manuscript. Your Majesty, I heard from the Lord Sanbao that an old minister in the previous dynasty mentions the matter of selecting concubines. Madam, please stand up. What if His Majesty really agrees? Oh, Crispy Peach, right now. Is she going to convince her to do something else? Else, the Empress will choose another concubine. Well, definitely she knows the secret of Nyan Nyan. That's why she was really confident on herself that Nyan Nyan will never get a new ones. Hey, I get it, so don't worry. Well, definitely, she's not really worried about this. I have been in the palace for so long and letters from the various bookstores urging me to finish my manuscript have piled up like a mountain. I have to finish my manuscript quickly. Oh, it turns out she was really dedicated worker. At this time, you are still writing this. Your Majesty will not agree. Definitely, Crispy Peach was right on this. Right now, of course, this is her happy. It's really make her happy writing these manuscripts. The little queen said, so quickly, go and have a copy of my manuscript. So it turns out she almost got finished. Asking Crispy Peach what she's gonna do. Well, right now, one of the manuscripts took down on the floor. Find another time and help me to deliver the new storybook to the bookstore. Oh, definitely, she's really a hardworking person. Without the Empress knowing that she's working like this, of course, maybe she really understand her. Without even knowing that, Xinyan suddenly came in. Well, for the little queen right now, she doesn't know that Xinyan was there. Now, she was still writing the manuscript. Did you finish copying it so quickly? This is new. Oh, right now, she's not looking and not worried. Nyan Nyan was there. She thinks that it was Crispy Peach who came in. Now, it really makes sense. She looks really surprised. Miss, you. So late, I thought you weren't coming. Little Queen said to the Empress. Now, look at her. She looks really embattled. Of course, if Nyanya knows this, maybe she really get angry on hers. But it was hidden and concealed, and there is a ghost right now. Nyanyan said to herself. Well, technically she's been caught on the act, but she's only denying it. Now, the Empress, have you eaten? I'll ask the kitchen to make something to eat. Don't you have anything to ask for me? Nyanyan said to her. Well, definitely Nyanyan, trying to understand her. Why suddenly she is working like this? But Nyanyan, today in the county court, another old minister brought up the matter of the beauty pageant. He also said that I left the harem empty for you, which might make you and the Yu family greedy and cause another uncle to appear. Right now, the little queen, if dad and brother heard this, they will be furious. And let Nyanyan know about this. She looks really rattled, right? Because Nyanyan suddenly came in and she is not ready. All the things are still on the table. It was really a messy. But Xinyan, right now, she moved closer to her. Why don't you ask me? What will I say? Xinyan, in a low voice, seems to be talking to her gently. Well, definitely, Nyanyan, she was really plotting something. Oops, she moves really closer. Right now, looking at the little queen, she seems to be puzzled and don't know what to do. It was Xinyan right now. She really got in the act. But since you said it so, of course I didn't agree. Nyanyan said to her. Well, definitely. Now, she was really hesitating, right? On the other hand, looking at the little queen, she moved closer to Nyanyan. Do you like me? But you can bear to leave me. And it was really sad. Oh, the little queen. Is she going to trick her also to coax her? Well, definitely. She seems to be good at acting. Yes, Ewer really understands me the most, but right now, looking at the Emperor, it seems to be she is really plotting something. Well, definitely. We can wait to see. She tricked the little queen. From when I came in, you covered it up and wanted to hide his letters paper and even use a beauty trick to lure her. Well, definitely. She is not really distracted on her actions. Also right now. Xinyan, you gave back to me. Xinyan, she moved far away her hands. Definitely, she don't want to reach by her. Not also. Xinyan, she continued to break the books. I want to see what was written on it. Crispy Peach can see it, but I can see it. Now, it really makes sense to her. She looks really gorgeous, but she won't really admit it. Right now, Xinyan, she seems to be in shock. This is written. This is the talk. Well, definitely, the little queen wants to hide something. Me, a meeting. So it turns out, she really want to go on the meeting, right? But this is clearly your handwritten. Empress said to her, now, she's been really caught. So, there's no punishment or even. Right now, she is really busy reading the manuscript of the Little Queen. Xiao Yu holds an uncle, stop the action. She wants to escape. Slender the white fingers non-stop. Well, definitely. Xinyan, it seems that she is really plotting something. You are not allowed to read. Xinyan said to her. Of course, right now. The Little Queen right now, she seems to be puzzled with the sudden action. Well, definitely, she was really blushing. At this moment, Xinyan, she grabbed her hands and kissed her. After returning to the palace, I was busy dealing with those bad things and it was my fault that I failed to take good care of you. Oh, Xinyan, she moved closer to her. No, It's not. The little queen said to Xinyan. Well, definitely. Xinyan, she really wanted to tease her. But the thing is, they really get serious. It really makes sense. This is what's written. Oh, it is really written. Right now, the Empress, she continued to tease her. Looking at her face, it's like she's going to kiss her. Definitely, the relationship of them is really getting better. Most of the time, it is all good. Let's wait and say it again. Well, it seems that she is on vulnerable states. Now, the Empress said, don't you want me to give you a little meal? Well, what kind of meal is she talking about it? This is really exciting and can't wait to see how the two of them become like this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments. Turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.